Students, so today's subject is English. So what we are going to see today is let's speak. So all of you open your textbook page number 13. Let's speak means what? Let's talk. So this is about a short conversation. Okay, so we will see today. Okay, so see the first conversation. It is between a mother and her daughter. So see the first conversation. Ashwini, name of the girl is what? Ashwini. May I go out to play, Ai? What she is asking to her mother. May I go out to play, Ai? So what Ai is replying? Yes, you may. Yes, you can means what she is telling that you may go out to play. So you have seen the first picture. See the first picture. It is a conversation between a mother and a daughter. What the girl is asking to her mother, that may I go out to play? So what her mother is replying? Yes, you may. The next conversation, it is a conversation between a father and a daughter. So see the next. Ashwini, Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake. May I? What she is asking to her father. Baba, I want to eat a piece of a cake. May I? So what Baba is replying? Yes, you may. Yes, what he is telling? Yes, you may. But after dinner, what he is telling? So first you have to finish your dinner and after that you can eat and then brush your teeth. What Ashwini is telling? Okay, Baba. So see the picture. The name of the girl is what? Ashwini and her father. So what she is asking? For a cake. So what his father told that? What her father told? Yes, you can eat but not now. First you finish your dinner and then you eat and then you brush your teeth. So see the next conversation. Mohini, may I have 2 tickets please? Ticket seller. Yes, you may. Here they are. So see the next picture. What's the girl's name? Mohini. What she's asking to a ticket seller? May I have 2 tickets please? May I have 2 tickets please? So what the ticket seller is replying? Yes, you may. Here they are. So he gave her tickets. So see the next conversation. Tina, may I borrow your pencil? Reena, yes sure, here it is. Tina says, thank you Reena. So Tina is asking to Reena that may I borrow your pencil? May I take your pencil? Reena, what she is telling? Yes sure, here it is. So she gave the pencil. So see the picture. Reena and Tina, what they are doing? So she is asking. Who is asking? Tina is asking for a pencil. So Reena gives her pencil. Okay. So what then Tina replies to her? Thank you. So see the next picture. So see the next conversation. Sham, may I pluck those flowers? Gardener, sorry, you may not. So see the conversation between a boy and a gardener. What the boy is asking about? To pluck the flower means to take out the flowers from the plant. So the gardener is saying what? Sorry, you may not. So he is not allowing to pluck the flower. Okay.